Hi guys, it's Mary. I have a new product I wanted to share with you. And I should say it's a new product for me. You may have already seen it, or you may have one already. Sometimes I'm a little bit slow, but I have been shopping with different companies the last few weeks since I attended that virtual event in March. And so I saw this product and I thought, this is an answer to one of my issues that I have. And so this is from Brutus Monroe. They have a company, and they've been in business for a few years, and it's a stick and stamp mat. And my issue is with my Misty. And when I use the Misty, there are times when the stamp might be a little bit more sticky, and it goes to lift the paper up when I open it up, to re-ink and then go back down. I have problems with my magnets getting in the way sometimes. And so I thought this is going to be great. And so it's not only for the Missy, though it fits, as you can see, the 6.5 or 6.5 by 8.5, whatever let's call it 6 by 8 Misty, which is the regular size one, perfectly. But I ended up getting two because I want to leave one in my Misty, and then you can use it with put your paper down and then your stencil on top of it to use with your stencil. It's also great to align your letters for your sentiments, and then get some low-tack tape, bring it right up off of that, and then put it on your card, Yeah, so it's perfect. But so I do have an extra one for that. But this really has been game-changing for me since I've gotten it and I've used it. So I've got my magnets here, but so you always want to, it has a protective cover like a Cricut mat or a Silhouette mat cover. And what I ended up doing is I took all the paper that I had in my Misty, and all I have is the little black foam thing. And so it fits in perfect, like I said, and you just take it off. And then you can put your panel, your card, wherever you want it to be. I'm just gonna put it right there. And then I'm just gonna take, and see it sticks. Put my sentiment down where I want it to be. Did you see that? Did you see how it stayed? And like I said, I've used it with my magnets, but I've used it without also. So, all right, so I'm gonna, I don't know, I bought this ink pad and it's not very good. See, let me get a different ink pad. I don't know what's going on with this one. I've tried it several times and it's not happening. And it's a Versacolor too, so I don't quite get what the issue is. All right, so let's get this one down. This is the Versa Color Claire. Versa, what is it? Versa Fine Claire. All right, and so just stamp away as usual. I use my little tool here. And look, it didn't go anywhere. I can put a second coat on it. Maybe, if I can get it open. And it really, this ink is so great, it really doesn't even need a second coat, but there you go. Isn't that perfect? And then all you do is take up the mat, pull it, or bend it a little bit, and there you go. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. So I'm in love. I'm in love. I had such a hard time when I was doing those that event, because we were one of the projects we were supposed to do each individual letter a different color, and it was just brutal. And it was like, if only I had something sticky. And then like 2 weeks later, I found this mat. So I cannot, I can't say enough good things about it. I really, really like it. And it comes, and then as soon as they get it in, they sell out. So I think they were like $6 for the mat. And if you get ink on it, you just wipe it off with a rag or a baby wipe. It stays sticky. I think it's, I think if it gets, you know, full of stuff, you can rinse it off, if I recall, and then the stickiness comes back. So anyway, so that's it. I'm just, can't say enough good things. Look, see. So you just need to make sure that when you're done, I make sure I line it up, put that back on. I just stick my magnets on, not that I need them, which makes me happy, because these magnets, even no matter where I put them, they don't always hold. And then, like I said, they get in the way sometimes and you don't get a clean image. So that's it. I'm very happy. And I am glad that I bought the 2 so that I can leave this one in here and have my other one for stenciling. So that's it. The Brutus Monroe stick and stamp mat, which Brutus Monroe is actually the owner's dog's name that passed away, not the owner of the company. So that was a little story he shared when I had a class at that event. So that's it. So if you have used one of these, or if you've seen it, let me know how you like it in the comments. If you have one and you've used it for some other things that I didn't mention, let me know, because I'm sure that there's a bunch of different uses for it that I haven't thought of yet. So let me know. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I appreciate any time. I know everybody's schedule is busy. Anytime that you can come visit my channel, I really appreciate it. If you are a subscriber, thank you. If you're thinking about subscribing, you can hit the subscriber button. There's also a like button there if you're so inclined. So that's it. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you like this. You think you would help you in your stamping? I know it has helped me. I just made a whole bunch of Easter cards, and it was absolutely perfect. So, all right. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.